Easy peasy chicken keema wraps for Monday. These recipes are going to take the burden off you of what to cook every day. Tuesday, it's chicken Manchurian day. It's really a nice recipe, takes a little bit of effort, but it's a crowd favorite. Presentation matters, so if you've put in a lot of effort in cooking your food, put in a lot more effort when you're serving it. Serve it with style and love. Let's make chicken shepherd's pie in my style. It is a favorite of your kids, of your husband, if you have parents, and it's really easy to make. Add veggies of your taste, of your choice, make it as healthy as you want it to be. I'm adding bell peppers, onions, and now the basic masalas. I saved some potatoes that I boiled yesterday for the shepherd's pie, and now I'm using them to make these aloo wale potato burgers. This is how you meal prep and save time. Let's assemble the burgers now with burger sauce, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes. You can add some other vegetables if you want. You can also add hara dhania, hari chutney as well, which I didn't have time to make, but it's all your choice. It's Friday and I'm making my favorite dish, aloo keema, and it can be made with chicken, beef, lamb, keema, mince, whatever you want to do it. But I think beef is the best. I like alus in my aloo keema. You can add capsicum, bell peppers, or any other vegetable if you want to. It can be as versatile as you want it to be. Weekend special, it's going to be halim. I'm making chicken halim. You can make beef or lamb, and it's going to be amazing. It's like protein rich and very healthy diet. If you really want to eat healthy, halim is the one to be. Definitely takes a lot of time to make this thing. That's why I'm making one dish that will go on for Saturday and Sunday both. When it's almost cooked, so if you're making chicken halim, then it takes 1 hour to cook. If it's beef or lamb, it will take longer. And then garnish with the coriander leaves, fried onions that you can get from the supermarket or you can fry them yourselves. And trust me, the aroma right now was so good in the whole kitchen. I eat it with naan. Sometimes you can eat it with spoon, whatever, it's your choice. I hope these recipes will actually take off the burden and you will not really have to think what to cook and what not to cook. If you like more such videos, let me know in the comments and I'll make more of them.